Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another Lego build. Today's build is the new Seinfeld set. Let's get this thing opened up and start to build. Alright, so Seinfeld. I am a huge Seinfeld fan. I've watched every single episode of multiple times. I don't have a lot of Seinfeld collectibles or toys or anything like that. I didn't really get into the Funko Pops because I'd heard a rumor about this. And this to me is what I was wanting as far as Seinfeld collectible or toy or anything like that. And that's the apartment. And I think this thing is amazing. This is set number 21328. It is 1,326 pieces. Yeah, this is gonna be a build. This is gonna be something that's fun. But there's also, I'm looking forward to getting this thing finished because I may have something in store for after it's built. We'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, guys, let me get the box opened up. I'll come back and we will see how many bags it is and we'll get it started. Well, I thought the box was going to be one of the different kinds of boxes. This box actually has a really nice design to it. I like this. Let's see how many bags we've got. 5. Oh, we already know we got 8. There's a 7. There's a 6. We do got some big plates. This is cool. There's no number on those. There's bag 1, bag 4. And this is something I was sort of expecting, a lot of stickers. Lots of stickers. And of course we got the book or the manual. So it looks like we've got 8 numbered bags and 1 unnumbered, so 9 total bags. This looks like this is flooring. Oh, this is cool. I think this may be, I know there's a minifig in there, but there's actual cameras and stuff, so this will be interesting to see. All right, 8 bags. This is going to be multiple time lapses. Yeah, I'll try to stop here and there just to sort of take a break, and hopefully we'll get through this thing. So yeah, first time lapse. everybody. We've wrapped it up. There it is, Jerry's apartment, Seinfeld, right there. Kit number 21328, 1,326 pieces. And yeah, this was probably one of the most tedious kits I've ever put together, and a lot of it has to do with the little things like the bookshelves, the cabinets. All of this stuff is very, very small parts that you put together, but the detail is great on this thing. It's a nice kit, or set, but you know, we've got all the characters. We've got Jerry, Elaine, George, Kramer, Newman's there. But yeah, I'm so happy I got this set. I love the scaffolding and everything for the lighting. That's such a neat touch. But yeah, this is cool. This is really, really cool. This is a cool set. Like I said earlier in the video, there's actually going to be a part 2 to this because this isn't done yet. The set is done, but the display is not. And that's what's going to be in part 2. I'm really excited for that because I think it's going to just make it pop. So hopefully here in the next couple of days or so, I'll be able to drop that video. But definitely let me know in the comments what you think about this Seinfeld set. Let me know if you have it or if you would pick it up. But this is cool. This brings back some really good memories of watching the show. There's all the little details, the stickers, the working doors. Matter of fact, the door here actually, I'll open it up on the back side. So you got like Kramer's apartment. But yeah, this is nice. I dig it. There you go. We got the door coming around right there, as you can actually see through. So from a photography point of view, I think this will be a really fun one to mess around with and have some fun with. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you have this set, or do you think you would pick it up? Also, if this is your first time to my channel, if you enjoy my content, please do me a favor, consider hitting that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, make sure and turn notifications on. That way you'll know when part 2 drops. And leave me comments. And as always, please remember, toys refreshes your soul. And I'll see you next time.